Welcome to our Ngaroto Plan. Come with us while we show you around. This beautiful 3-bedroom home is spacious and enables a busy family to come together, but also provides a space to retreat. It features open-plan living and dining, which is suitable for entertaining and relaxing. The main bathroom features tiled floors, a shower, and a gorgeous freestanding bath. The toilet is separate to the bathroom too. The bedrooms are roomy and feature double wardrobes, which include built-in shelving, which allows greater storage capacity. You can walk from the inside to the outside seamlessly onto the stunning deck. The deck extends the living area of the home, and you can access the deck from multiple rooms within the home, making it convenient to enjoy outdoor living. The show home has a modern-style kitchen with a scullery, the perfect combination. The large master bedroom features an ensuite and walk-in wardrobe. The ensuite is well designed for optimal use of the space. At Generation Homes, we make building your home easy with our 14-step building process, guaranteed move-in date and fixed price on budget guarantee.